mindless scrolling, social media addiction, behavioral problems, toxicity, attention disorders. Yes, I'm talking about smartphones. Many of us have started to realize how toxic smartphones have become. Also, I agree to the fact that it has its own benefits, but I'm not here to tell you about them again. What I am going to tell you in this video is a 4-step model that will reduce your screen time, and I'm pretty sure you're going to love doing this. So before jumping into the topic, I would like to tell you about a concept called dumb phones. Dumb phones is similar to a basic model phone. You can make calls from it, you can send messages, connect to the internet and listen to music. That's it. So no WhatsApp, no social media, nothing. Recently, there has been an increased attention towards this dumb phone concept. There is also a dumb phone that has been already released in abroad called the Light Phone 2, and it is expected to release in India as well. But do you know what is the expected price of it? It's 15,000 rupees. Yes, a basic model phone is sold at a premium price only because of this trending topic called dumb phones. When I came to know about this concept, I was really curious to use this dumb phone. So I was thinking, why not try and convert a smartphone into a dumb phone? So I started reading a lot of articles on this, and I came to know that there are few steps with which you can actually convert your smartphone into your dumb phone. So these are tried and tested steps. You can rely on me, it works. And try to watch this video fully, because this video is not just about me telling you the 4 steps and you trying it out. It is more of understanding why we are actually glued to the smartphones. The first step is grayscale mode. In 1970s and 80s, movies were released in grayscale mode. And if you go today and see those movies again, you won't feel it attractive because there won't be any colors in it. And that is what we are going to do to our smartphone. Change it to grayscale mode. Many of the smartphone users actually don't know that there is a mode called grayscale mode, and many of us don't know how to go and access it. So today I'll explain you how to go and switch on the grayscale mode in your smartphones. Open the settings, search for digital well-being and parental control, tap on it, and if you swipe up, you will find something called bedtime mode. If you tap on it, it will ask you for a schedule. Once you do it, tap on the customize button and turn off the do not disturb mode. Now your phone will go into grayscale mode at the scheduled time. I usually keep my phone in grayscale mode for the whole day, so it has its own problems. Like if I want to take a picture, I have to go to the settings, turn it off, take a picture, then go to the settings again to turn it on. So instead of this, they have given an option in the notification panel itself to pause the grayscale mode for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, it will automatically go into grayscale mode. In my personal experience, if you just do this one step, your smartphone screen time will reduce drastically by around 80% because your phone is no more attractive and you won't be glued to your smartphones. So the second step is turning on the focus mode. If you carefully watch yourself, you'll be tempted to use your smartphone only when you're doing something that you're not interested in. For example, take after lunch time when you have to work actually, but you'll be taking breaks more often and scrolling through the social media because you are not interested in working after lunch. And that is when focus mode comes into help. Open the digital well-being and parental control again. Below the bedtime mode, you will find a focus mode. Here you can schedule your focus mode and also choose the apps that are distracting. So when you are in focus mode, you won't be able to access the logged apps. But in some phones, they give you a 5-minute break timer with which you can access that particular app, then close it once you are done, or the app automatically closes after 5 minutes and it will be gone from your recent apps also. The third step in this 4-step model is changing into a simplistic launcher. That is a minimalistic launcher. See, there are plenty of minimalistic launchers in Google Play Store, but I'll tell you 2 key points that you have to remember when you're searching for a minimalistic launcher. Check if it is free, and also check that whether there is any in-app purchases. If it is completely free and if there are no in-app purchases and it is ad-free, then your launcher is perfectly fine. See, the main objective of a minimalistic launcher is to make your smartphone unattractive. So these are my personal suggestions for the best minimalistic launcher. I have given the links of this in the description below. You can try them out and choose the right one for you. The last and the final step is removing unwanted apps. One Sunday, just sit down and go through your app list and you will find out that most of the apps that you have are unused. Because in today's world, there are apps for each and every task. We download it and we forget to uninstall it. Also, in another sheet of paper, just write down what are the essential apps. I use one for calls, one for texting, and one for alarms, and one for music, one for meditation, workouts, then one for food delivery, and one for payment gateway. This is what is the number of apps that I use. You can also try and restrict it to a maximum of 8. But if you are not able to, then keep a maximum limit of 10 for the first time. Then you can slowly reduce it. So these are the 4 steps that you have to follow to change your smartphone into a dumb phone. See, there is no necessity that you have to do all these at once, okay? Just try one step at a time and tell me which step you are going to try first and the reason for it in the comment section below. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and I will be posting more videos on productivity soon. Bye.